matter of fact, it was raining all over the 100 Acre Wood. There was a thunderstorm on page 71. And on page 73, there was a bit of a cloudburst. It rained, and it rained, and it rained.
The rain, rain, rain came down, down, down in rushing, rising rivulets, till the river crept out of its bed and crept right into Piglet's. For Piglet, he was frightened with quite a rightful fright, and so in desperation a message he did write.
Help! Piglet, me!
He placed it in a bottle, and it floated out of sight.
And the rain, rain, rain came down, 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 so Piglet started bailing. He was unaware atop his chair while bailing he was sailing.
And the rain, rain, rain came down, 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 and the flood rose up, up, up.
Pooh was caught, and so he thought,
I must rescue my supper.
10 honey pots he rescued, enough to see him through.
but as he sopped up his supper, the river sopped up Pooh. And the water twirled and tossed him in a honey pot canoe.
Rain, rain, rain came down, 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 when the rain, rain, rain came down, down, down.
So the 100 Acre Wood got floodier and floodier. But the water couldn't come up to Christopher Robin's house, so that's where everyone was gathering. It was a time of great excitement. But in the midst of all the excitement, Eeyore stubbornly stuck to his task of house hunting for Owl.
There's one. Cozy cottage. Nice location. Bit damp for Owl, though.
Meanwhile, Little Roo made an important discovery.
Look! I've rescued a bottle. And it's got something in it, too. It's a message. And it says, help! Piglet, me. Owl, you fly over to Piglet's house and tell him we'll make a rescue.
A rescue? Yes, of course.